Hello everyone. In this video, we will show how to set an ATR trailing stop loss in Tradingview. This tool helps us lock in profits while giving our trades room to breathe. ATR, or average true range, measures market volatility. When we use ATR for a trailing stop, our stop loss automatically adapts to price movement. Let's get started. First, we open our chart on Tradingview and check which asset and time frame we want to trade. ATR trailing stops work best on assets with some volatility, like stocks, crypto, or Forex. Next, we click on Indicators at the top of our screen and search for ATR, or average range. We click it to add it to our chart. The ATR will appear as a separate panel below our chart. It shows the average range of price movement over our selected period, usually 14 bars by default. To set a trailing stop, we can use a built-in strategy or a pine script indicator. Tradingview does not let us add a true trailing stop to a trade manually, but we can simulate it using ATR-based scripts. So, we click Indicators again. We search for ATR trailing stop, or Super Trend ATR, but here we are going to use ATR trailing stop loss. Many scripts use this as a trailing stop added to our chart. Once it's added, we will see dots or lines that follow the price. When price moves in our favor, the line moves too, trailing behind to lock in gains. If price reverses and touches the line, that signals our stop loss level. We can customize it by clicking the gear icon next to the indicator's name. Here, we adjust the ATR period to change how sensitive the stop is, and the multiplier, which sets how far from price the stop will trail. A smaller multiplier keeps the stop close, catching reversals quickly, but it can stop us out during normal price swings. A larger multiplier gives price more room, but can lead to bigger losses if the market reverses. Now, some tips. Combine ATR trailing stop with our entry strategy so our stops make sense. Use higher time frames for more reliable trailing stops in volatile markets. Always test our settings with paper trading first. Common mistakes to avoid: using a very low ATR multiplier in volatile markets, which can trigger early exits. Ignoring the trend and only following the ATR. Forgetting to adjust our trailing stop if market conditions change. We now know